Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Online survey and user testing platforms. There were several online survey and user testing platforms available. Please note that the landscape of technology and platforms might have evolved since then, so it's a good idea to double-check for the latest options. Here are some popular online survey and user testing platforms. SurveyMonkey, a widely used online survey platform that allows you to create and distribute surveys, collect responses, and analyze the results. Survey creation. SurveyMonkey offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to create surveys using various question types, including multiple choice, open-ended, rating scales, and more. You can customize the survey layout and design to match your branding. Distribution. Once you've created your survey, you can distribute it through various channels, such as email, social media, embedded links on websites, and more. SurveyMonkey provides options to target specific audiences and collect responses anonymously if needed. Collaboration. The platform allows for team collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on a survey simultaneously and share access to the results. Templates. SurveyMonkey offers a range of pre-designed survey templates for different purposes, such as customer satisfaction, employee feedback, market research, and more. These templates can save time and provide a starting point for your surveys. Data analysis. As responses come in, SurveyMonkey provides real-time data analysis and reporting tools. You can generate charts, graphs, and other visualizations to help interpret and present the survey results effectively. Google Forms. Part of Google's suite of productivity tools, Google Forms enables you to create surveys and gather responses using a simple and intuitive interface. Easy form creation. Google Forms provides an intuitive interface that allows users to create forms quickly and easily. You can add various types of questions, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, long answer, and more. Customization. Users can customize the look and feel of their forms by choosing from a variety of themes and templates, or by adding their own images and backgrounds. Collaborative editing. Google Forms enables real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same form simultaneously. This is especially useful for team projects and group feedback collection. Seamless integration. Since Google Forms is part of the Google Workspace, formerly G Suite ecosystem, it integrates smoothly with other Google applications like Google Sheets for easy data management and analysis. Sharing and distribution. Once the form is ready, you can share it via a link, email, social media, or embed it on a website. You can also control who can respond to the form, making it accessible to a specific audience if needed. Typeform. Known for its visually appealing and interactive surveys, Typeform offers a user-friendly experience for both creators and respondents. Conversational interface. Typeform surveys have a conversational and engaging feel, using one question per page and a variety of media elements like images, videos, and GIFs. This approach encourages higher response rates and a more enjoyable survey-taking experience. Easy form creation. Typeform's drag-and-drop interface allows users to create surveys, questionnaires, and forms with ease. You can add various question types, including multiple choice, open-ended, rating scales, and more. Visual customization. The platform offers extensive customization options to match the survey's look and feel with your branding. You can choose from various themes and templates, customize colors and fonts, and upload images or videos. Qualtrics, a comprehensive research platform that provides advanced survey building features and robust analytics for in-depth data analysis. Survey creation. Qualtrics provides a sophisticated survey editor that allows users to create surveys with various question types, including multiple choice, open text, matrix questions, and more. The platform offers advanced survey logic, skip patterns, and display conditions for complex survey designs. Experience management. Qualtrics focuses on helping organizations measure and manage experiences across different touchpoints, such as customer, employee, and brand experiences. Research and data collection. In addition to surveys, Qualtrics supports various data collection methods, including online experiments, mobile app-based data collection, website feedback, and more. UserTesting, a user research platform that allows you to conduct remote usability testing and gather feedback from real users on websites, apps, and prototypes. Remote usability testing. User testing enables researchers to create tasks and scenarios for users to complete while recording their screens and audio feedback. This approach allows for a realistic evaluation of how users interact with a product in their natural environment. Diverse participant pool. User testing maintains a large panel of pre-screened participants from various demographics, making it easy to target specific user groups for testing. Video recordings and feedback. Researchers receive video recordings of participants' interactions, along with their audio feedback. This provides valuable insights into user behavior, pain points, and suggestions for improvements. Quick turnaround. User testing allows for rapid testing and feedback collection, often providing results within a matter of hours. Mobile app testing. In addition to desktop and web applications, user testing supports mobile app testing on iOS and Android devices. UserZoom offers a suite of user research tools including usability testing, remote unmoderated testing, and UX analytics for a holistic approach to user experience research. Remote unmoderated user testing. UserZoom allows researchers to set up remote unmoderated user testing, where participants complete tasks and scenarios on their own time without direct supervision. This approach is efficient and flexible, allowing for large-scale testing across different user segments. Moderated user testing. UserZoom supports live, moderated testing sessions where researchers can interact with participants in real time, ask follow-up questions, and gain deeper insights into user behavior and feedback. Lookback, a user research platform that specializes in remote moderated and unmoderated user testing, interviews, and user feedback. Remote moderated sessions. Lookback enables researchers to conduct live, one-on-one moderated interviews with participants from different locations. Researchers can observe participants' screens and interact with them in real time, asking follow-up questions and gaining deeper insights into user behavior and feedback. Validately provides user testing and research tools to gather insights from real users, including moderated and unmoderated testing. Screen and audio recording. During remote user testing sessions, Validately records participants' screens and audio, capturing their interactions and verbal feedback for later analysis. Mobile app testing. Validately supports usability testing for mobile apps on both iOS and Android devices, catering to the growing importance of mobile user experience. Live moderation. For moderated user testing sessions, researchers can interact with participants in real time, asking follow-up questions and gaining deeper insights into user behavior and preferences. Unmoderated testing. Validately also offers unmoderated user testing, where participants complete tasks and provide feedback independently, providing flexibility in scheduling and participant recruitment. TryNeui, a user testing platform that allows you to get feedback from real users on website usability and user experience. Note-taking and highlighting. Researchers and team members can take notes and highlight specific moments during user testing sessions for later analysis and to share key insights with stakeholders. Timestamped comments. Collaborators can add time-stamped comments to the recorded sessions, facilitating discussion and collaboration among team members. Customizable tasks and questions. Researchers can create custom tasks and follow-up questions to gain deeper insights into user preferences and feedback. When choosing a platform, consider factors such as the type of research you need to conduct, the number of participants you expect, the level of customization required, and the analytics and reporting capabilities that suit your needs. Additionally, keep an eye out for any new platforms that may have emerged since my last update. Always check user reviews and the latest information to make an informed decision for your specific requirements. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.